Hi, welcome to my channel, Self-Made Fancy Wardrobe. Today I'm going to show you how to make a half button blanket t-shirt using knit fabric. I'm going to use this stretch fabric for this style. It is a little bit thick, just right and is suitable for the spring and fall season. I bought this fabric years ago, but now it looks like out of date. So I consider adding gold buttons on it to make it look chic. This fabric has rich texture on surface, and I use different fabric direction to make front plackets, pockets, and two-sleeve plackets. Because it is stretch fabric, so no need to add the ease on bust and hip. I simply use body measurement on these two parts, but taping at waist by 3/4 inches. When you take in measurement for bust and hip, always choose the highest point at these two parts. The shoulder also need to be narrowed down 3/4 inches for each side, which is also due to the fabric stretchiness. The measurement is 7.5 inches. After reducing 3/4, then 6 3/4 will be the new measurement for the shoulder. Let's start with the pattern drafting first. This is the center back line, also a folding line. It's not going to cut. Now measure the back neckline, then the front neckline. Totally 8.25 inches, because collarband had to be pulled to hold the neckline, so it had to be shorter 1.25 inches. So 7 inches will be the half collarband measurement. The total collarband length will be 14 inches. Locate a placket position 8 inches by 1/2 inch. Then for the pocket position, round shaping the pocket bottom. Add the folding facing on the pocket opening. Now look at this pattern. The placket position was cut by this way. This is the color. Here is center back line. It will be folded in half, so the collar band width will be 1.5 inches. Cutting front placket 8 inches by 2 inches. Front placket had to be folded in half, so now it is 1 inch wide. Look, this is a pocket. Add the fusible interfacing on pocket, front placket, and sleeve placket. No interfacing need inside collar because it will be stretched out and sewn with the neckline. Okay, all set with the interfacing. Now the last section is for sewing. Firstly, I need to make pocket before sewing other parts. Overlock pocket facing before sewing. Add double stitching on opening. Then, add another stitching around the pocket edge. Pull the threads and make a little shirring at round corner to form round shape. Now I'm ready to add tuck stitching on pockets. When I sew stretch fabric, I often place a small thicker paper on top to avoid fabric stretch out so much. Sewing placket is the major task for this project. 2 plackets are 1 inch wide and exactly overlap at the bottom. Place the placket. Make its end a 1/4 inch longer than finish line, which is the chop mark. Between the end of 2 stitching lines, I make a chop mark on it. Then I'm going to make a cut on its 2 corners. Please be careful, don't be over the stitching ends. Now turn over the placket. Align the upper and underneath placket bottom exactly. Tap the bottom of 2 plackets together first. Then sew the cutting corner with placket bottom together. Okay, it has been done. I'm going to add tuck stitching after doing overlock. Overlock the placket. Sew the shoulders. I add the cotton tail here to control fabric stretching. Turn up the tail to sew with the shoulder seam in order to overlock together. Sew the side seams. Now I'm going to show you the steps to making a collar. This collar is simple, straight line cutting, but after being stretched out to sew, the collar bottom will curve up and lay on the neck nicely. When we sew in corner for the knit fabric, we have to pull out the corner in order to hold the neckline, which is why we had to make a corner shorter than the neckline. Clean finish here. Make a center back notch. Make sure the neckline longer than corner. Start install the corner. Close the end of collar. Trim the seam to make it thinner. Turn it round and fold up the inner side seam. And start basting the collar. Okay, the collar has been done. The last step is for sewing the sleeve. I add the decorative placket on sleeve to match with the front placket. The placket is in the middle of sleeve opening. Add the stitching on sleeve cap. Sleeve cap notch match with the shoulder seam. Finish. The cap looks nice. I also create 2 darts at the back for a nice taping at waist. I was not able to get the quality fastened snap, so I just used regular sew-on button on top and slats underneath. If you like my channel, please give me a thumb, leave comment and subscribe below. Thank you for watching. Bye.